In this example, we will implement a thermostat control with operating hours tracking using structured text in EcoStruxure Machine Expert HVAC. The goal of this program is not only to control a cooling system, but also to monitor how long the equipment has been running. First, let's look at the variables used in this program. Reset op hours. This is a reset command used to reset the operating hours counter when needed. Op hours. This is a retained variable, meaning its value is stored in memory and preserved even after a power cycle. It is used to store the total accumulated operating hours. Next, we define the function block instance. op hours, operating hours. This function block is responsible for calculating and updating the operating hours. Finally, we have op hour. This variable represents the calculated operating time in hours, which can be displayed on an HMI or used for monitoring. The first part of the program implements a thermostat control. The system reads the temperature from the NTC sensor and compares it with the set point and differential. If the temperature rises above the set point plus the differential, the cooling system is activated. This means X cooling becomes true. X output cooling becomes true. If the temperature drops below the set point, the cooling system is turned off. This creates a hysteresis control, preventing frequent on-off switching. The measured temperature is then stored in NTC temp for monitoring. Next, we use the operating hours function block to track how long the system has been running. The input X device on equals X output cooling. This means the function block counts operating time only when the cooling output is active. The reset input reset equals reset op hours allows the user to manually reset the operating hours counter. The parameter PDRE2_op hours equals ADR op hours. This connects the function block to a retained memory location, ensuring that operating hours are saved even if the PLC loses power. The function block provides the output op hours. This variable contains the total operating time in hours. The function block automatically increments this value every hour while the device is running. To summarize how the program operates, the PLC continuously monitors the temperature from the NTC sensor and controls the cooling system using thermostat logic. Whenever the cooling output is active, the operating hours function block starts counting the operating time. The accumulated hours are stored in a retained variable, so the data is preserved even after a restart or power loss. If needed, the operator can reset the operating hours using the reset input.